Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create your own token and make it look like a Flash token. In this tutorial, we'll generate Flash USDT tokens on the ERC20 network. Once you've created it, you can send it to Binance or transfer it to gambling platforms like Stake. Let's jump right in. First, install the MetaMask extension on Google Chrome. Make sure to deposit at least 0.05 Ethereum. This amount will give you around 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. Want more tokens? Just add more Ethereum to your deposit. Next, search for Remix Ethereum IDE. Go to the official Remix website to compile the code. Create a new file. You can name it anything you like, such as usdt.sol. Now copy the entire Flash USDT contract code. Be sure to copy the whole code without missing anything. I'll leave the code link in the video description below. Paste it into your new file. Now go to Solidity Compiler tab. Select version 0.6.6 and compile the contract. Then go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. In the Environment dropdown, choose Browser Extension, then click Injected Provider MetaMask. Link your MetaMask wallet. Once connected, your wallet balance will appear. Fill in the token details, token name, tether, symbol USDT, click Transact. When asked for the gas fee, round it to the nearest whole number, usually around 2 to 3. Confirm it. Confirm the transaction. Wait until the process is complete. After confirmation, you'll get a contract address. Go to the deployment section. From here, copy the contract address and verify on Etherscan to ensure the contract was successfully created. Next, fund the contract directly by sending Ethereum to that address. At least 0.05. Complete the process to finish the transaction. Wait for the transaction to confirm. Once confirmed, then refresh the Etherscan to check the contract balance. Your contract now funded. Now, it's time to mint your tokens. Go back to Remix and your balance should be visible. Click Start. Set the gas fee and confirm. This will mint your tokens. Wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, you can withdraw the tokens. Click Withdraw. Set the gas fee and confirm. Finish the process to complete the transaction. A few minutes later, check your wallet. If everything went smoothly, you should see your 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. Have any questions? Feel free to message me on Telegram.